Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I want to discuss about Vestige rice bran oil, which is having many health benefits. Because when I visited different hospitals today, I have seen many people facing gas problems, so many other problems. So generally, we go to a hospital, the problem is being treated, but in our Vestige we have so many solutions to solve the root cause of the problem, and naturally with using natural supplements, we have so many supplements. So specifically today I want to discuss about rice bran oil. Our Vestige rice bran oil is physically refined oil without any harsh chemicals. This oil has been prepared. It is made from upper layer of brown rice. Generally, gas problem, all this comes because of oils we use. Normal oils have less percentage of less boiling point, so because of which they convert into trans fat when we cook food materials in these oils. Older days we used to use wooden firewood, so that at the temperature our oils were not burning, but now because of gas, boiling point is high. It's like we get a lot of heat from the LPG gas, because of which the normal oil which we use, it converts into trans fats, and it becomes unhealthy, lead to so many problems like gas problem, and along with the gas problem we get a constipation problem. Once you get constipation, that means your digestion capacity has reduced. Gas problem and constipation, because of which food does not go outside and it keeps on storing in your body like fat, and you start gaining weight. Once you start gaining weight, it will put pressure on the blood vessels, and blood pressure starts increasing. Along with that, get other complications like diabetes, heart problems, brain problems, lung problems, leads to further complications. So just because of cooking oil, so many complications may arise, and they can be prevented with our rice bran oil. So our Vestige rice bran oil is different from normal outside market products. Here it is of 100% quality. It is a physically refined process, made from physically refined process. No harsh chemicals are used, because of which its boiling point is very high. So even when you cook on the LPG gas, trans fats are not generated, and whatever spices or other materials which you use, lot of disturbance, construction is going on nearby. So what all spices or other materials we use, they don't get overheated in the oil, they don't become toxins. That's why it will protect your health. So it's a very good oil. It's a basic thing. Just starting using rice bran oil will help you a lot, to save you a lot of money. I see many patients spending so much of money for gas problems, constipation, BP, diabetes, all those things. You can just start basic protection. Our Vestige rice bran oil gives you basic protection. Along with that, based on your need and capacity, you can use other supplements. So many natural supplements are available. So rice bran oil comes in a 2-liter can. As of now, the cost is 400 rupees. As you grow in the Vestige business, you will get lot of discounts. Even if you use consistency offer, you can get a good discount. Product are always almost near to the market products. When you are a part of Vestige business, you get so many benefits, other benefits. As you grow in the business, you will get 9 types of incomes. So just with using all the products which you already need, what are you already have to use regularly in your household, that itself will help you build a business, strong business, along with the protection of your health. So definitely I recommend everyone to use our Vestige rice bran oil and protect your health. Along with that, based on your need, we need to suggest what all additional you need supplements. So you can contact me. My number will be in the description. Wherever you are, we can discuss further how to use the products, what are all the requirements, how to get benefit of the consistency offers out of Vestige business. If you like my videos, please watch my other videos also. I give a lot of information, useful information about Vestige business, network marketing business, self-improvement, health tips. I have been in transmission field for so many years. As a part of my present business, my present job, I visit many hospitals. I see so many patients. I see so many doctors and suggestions they give. 90% of the problems we can avoid with these supplements. There are few conditions where we need doctors. Basic protection we can get from these supplements. So definitely just don't ignore the suggestion. It will save you a lot of money and health, give you a lot of health by suggestions. Check out my other videos. So many health tips and so many points which help you to be happy and successful. I discuss whatever I learn. So please, if you like the video, please like, share, comment, share in your social media groups, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, and share with those who need these videos. Join in my team. I invite you to join in my team, either for business or for the products. My number will be in the description. I wish you all the best.